Hey traders, John Hal here, officialjohnhal.com. In this video, we're going to do a bit of a market update. So let's get into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's have a look at Apple. Let's see what's happening with Apple right now. And we can see, let's have a look what's actually trying to happen where we are right now. Now, first thing with Apple, we can see that Apple had a bit of a nice run down through here, okay? Probably 30% drop all the way down from its highs. It had a bit of a gap down. Firstly, I just thought someone was in my house just then. Ooh. Firstly, we can see the market drop down through here. Now we ran back up through there. And as we can see that we are, this whole level through here is a whole bunch of area of support. And we have a whole area of resistance as well too. And one thing I definitely do say is definitely have an area where the market is rejecting on a weekly basis. So let's actually just delete everything off the screen now for a minute here, and I want to explain what I mean here. Let's go delete all. And what I like to do is this. I like to say, okay, cool. We have this here, and we can see that on a weekly chart. We can see on a weekly chart that this whole level through here, that whole level through there, is indeed what is it? It's a weekly resistance, right? So we're going to type in here weekly support / resistance. Makes sense? So, and then as you know by looking, that's on the daily chart, that's on the weekly chart there, okay? So as you know, if the market does run up, there's a whole bunch of area of resistance through there. All right, and then so that'll be the first thing I look at. So, and especially if you bring this up through here, now you can actually say, okay, cool, is there any trend lines here? So first thing, I was like, cool, is there a trend line through there? No, there's not much going on through there. And I normally do this pretty quickly when I'm doing my analysis, but I was like, cool, is there anything going on through there? It's like, oh, look, there's something going on through there. Definitely something going on through there, as you can see, right? And, you know, and if you actually just use this exact same, you can see from here to here as well too, they're at an area of support, and once again, a whole band of weekly support and once again resistance through there. So if we now go to the daily chart on Apple, we can actually see that Apple right now is indeed obviously bouncing off this long-term area of support, and it looks like it actually wants to try and spend a bit of move to the high side. Now there is an actual trend line coming down through here somewhere, as you can see, and you can see how that's actually been very broken just recently. So that's actually a very bullish sign for Apple, and Apple does look like it wants to spend a bit more time going to the high side. But on a short-term notice, we actually do have, see this whole bunch of area. See how if I draw that there, see how the market's really struggled through there. That'll be the struggle for me. That'll be the struggle that I would say through there. And when the markets are right now, I'm not too confident to the high side. But here's the thing. If we do get a close above this high side, then we are likely to run right back up towards the 120 mark. So anyway, guys, that's what I see with Apple. Quick update. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.